What is your relationship with each other?
Best friends.
Ano yung origin story niya? How did you two meet?
Yeah, we met in elementary school, but we know of each other way before pa that.
Since kinder, ganun.
Ano yung masasabi niyong favorite thing niyo about each other as best friends?
Marami kaming similarities like taste sa music, movies, mga ganun pa.
And I admire his intelligence and patience.
Meron ba kayong story na masishare? Parang epitome ng pagiging best friends niyo?
Well, there's a lot. Pero grade 9 naman to. Nasa aisle kami pareho. Tapos, we were talking a lot. Tapos, napalabas ako ng teacher. Pero siya talaga yung
Tawa ng tawa.
tawa ng tawa. Ako lang yung pinaka-edge kasi ng seat. Kaya ako yung unang nakita.
Pinapasok din siya later on kasi
Pinagalitan kami. Pero ako, tumatawa pa rin ako sa labas kasi I don't know what we were talking about.
nagpuro
Tas-
kami inside joke, ganun.
Yes.
What advice would you give to people to sustain other friendships?
Wala, kasi yung friendship namin is like low maintenance lang.
Yeah, understanding lang ng differences then, of course, and communication. Kasi even, before, we always talk about what we like about each other and what we don't like. Tapos, we find a balance between the two.
So, ano yung one thing na parang ayaw niyo sa isa't isa pero tinanggap niyo na kasi love niyo naman talaga yung isa't isa as best friend?
Very impatient.
Yes.
Best friend.
Yes, for you siguro yung attitude. Yeah, medyo mabilis mainis.
Agree ka doon?
Yeah.